In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Wix account 2025 step by step. We'll walk through the exact sequence so nothing blocks you along the way. The key idea is that Wix only lets you delete an account after you've stopped paid subscriptions and removed all sites, so we'll handle those first, then finish with the account removal. Start by heading to the Wix website and signing in. On the home page, select Login, authenticate the way you normally do, and you'll land in your account dashboard. If you manage more than one profile, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. The dashboard you see is where your subscriptions and sites live. Next, cancel any premium plans. From the dashboard, open Billing and Subscriptions. Locate each premium plan you're paying for. Open it, choose Cancel Plan, and confirm. Repeat for every active subscription. This stops future billing and is required before you can close the account. A quick tip: check renewal dates and any refund terms shown on screen so you know what happens after cancellation. If you don't see a cancel option, it usually means there's nothing active left to turn off or the plan has already been scheduled to end. Now delete your Wix websites. Go to My Sites, select a site, open Site Actions, and choose Move to Trash. Do this for every site connected to the account. Trashing a site removes it from your active list. If you need a record, consider exporting content or saving copies before you move it. Take a moment to verify the My Sites area is empty when you're done, because leaving a site active can prevent account deletion. With plans canceled and sites trashed, open Account Settings, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account Settings. This is where the final deletion control lives, and it will only appear if you've cleared subscriptions and removed your sites. If something isn't available yet, revisit Billing and Subscriptions and My Sites to double check. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings page and select Delete Your Account. You'll be asked to confirm, usually by verifying your identity. Approve the prompt, and Wix will begin permanently removing the account. Keep in mind this is irreversible, and you'll lose access to associated data once the process completes. That's it. You signed in, canceled premium plans, deleted your websites, opened account settings, and confirmed account deletion. If something doesn't appear as shown, use the search bar inside Wix for Billing and Subscriptions or My Sites to jump straight to the right place. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your account cleanup.